Have you ever imagined how the world would be today without the help of machines? I mean, imagine lifting those heavy loads from the surface to the car, or even to your apartment located on the 8th floor. Thanks to technological innovations, the world's been a witness to some of the most magnificent machinery that more than help do some heavy duties with minimal energy input. If you haven't spotted some in action, count yourself lucky, because in this video, we'll show you some amazing machines operating at insane levels. But before we begin, kindly subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing content. Please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our weekly content. Let's get it on. Number 1. Wolf VPC 250. Wolf VPC 250 is a machine that is built to match German manufacturing standards. The device is designed to carefully and perfectly pack foods in bags. The foods are packed in an innovative, natural, and promotional way, perfect for the consumer to get carried away. The machine works at a high speed and packs approximately 165 bags per minute. It's designed to complete the task according to the size of the package, and it does everything, packing from nuts to jelly. Additionally, it is user-friendly and can operate continuously and alternatively depending on the packaging application. The top seam of the already sealed bag and the bottom hem of the still empty bag is sealed at the same time. The system ensures a secure production process, offering superior production conditions to the users. Number 2. Blade Stop. This is a table blade that works like a standard blade, but believe me when I say it could also cause you some serious harm if not handled correctly. The blade travels at 400 revolutions per minute, but stops immediately when in contact with flesh. With its rapid speed, the blade has saved over 1,000 fingers since it started being in use. It works using electrical signals from the user's fingers. The sensing system works when the operator attaches the tether on themselves or by using a belt. Once the belt's plugged in, the blade stop uses the operator's hand to identify signals. Identification only takes 25 seconds to complete. When a finger is detected, the signals are picked by the blade, which in turn triggers the blade cartridge underneath. Almost instantly, the blade stop cartridge springs up. Both the blade and the cartridge are easily replaceable. Number 3. Salmon Beheader. This machine's designed to achieve a uniform and precise cutting for every fish. In just a minute, the machine can cut up to 20 fish. Before the slicing, each fish is measured, then the cutting process starts with the neck. Along the collarbone, the machine makes a V cut, sliding the head down and out of the machine. The fish is then released and measured for the tail cutting. It's then transferred to the filleting device with unique back and belly trimming parts capable of yielding high-quality fish. Working at a very high speed, the fish is sliced into fillets at exact weights and sizes. Number 4. ProFencer 2. This is a unique rolling, laying, and tensioning machine designed for professional fencing. It's a compact tractor-mounted machine that picks up, loads, and dispenses rolls of agricultural stock and fencing up to 500 meters. It can operate in the most challenging conditions. The hydraulic controls give the operator complete control of height, tilt, and wire tension in total safety. This machine raises the bar in agricultural fencing as it is done at a faster rate compared to human-done fencing. This machine can do 4 to 6 strands of barbed wire at once, and also double the work rate of 3 men, yet a shorter period of time. This gives the contractor opportunity to finish and move on to the next contract. ProFencer 2 is a powerful machine that can last for many generations. Number 5. Potato Packing Line. This automated assembly line product packaging system is commonly used in packaging food and other industrial products. The food, mostly potatoes, are first passed through washing, then sorted out manually as they progress to the next stage. The machine constructs plastic bags and stand-up pouches out of a flat roll of film while simultaneously filling and sealing them with potatoes. In the system, the loaded plastic bags have labels and artwork applied to both the interior and exterior. The bagging process creates the bottom seal by clamping across the bottom edge and cutting off any bag left. The machine ensures packaging quality for goods to be exported, increasing their value. It also improves the working conditions while protecting workers from health effects brought by toxic products or dust. Number 6. Box Mover Side Lifter. This is a specialized vehicle used to hoist shipping containers. The machine loads and unloads containers utilizing a pair of hydraulic-powered cranes mounted at the end of the vehicle chassis. The machine can stack a container at 2 containers high from the ground. It's suitable for loading and unloading containers without using any additional equipment. The primary power source of the side lifter is a trailer-mounted diesel engine. It has stabilizing legs which allow for lifting the containers without tilting the vehicle. They were designed to lift a maximum of 45 tons, though smaller machines are also available for lightweight. The operator can also tilt the chassis using the stabilizing legs, which provide a limited ability to operate on non-level ground. Side lifters have been known to overturn just like any other crane, especially when lifting weights that are over the maximum. This is why only trained personnel should operate the machine. However, an electronic stability system could be required to prevent the side lifter from rolling over. Number 7. BCS 3-Wheel Reaper Binder. This machine is driven by the power takeoff tractor and is easily attached to the tractor using its 3-point hitch, which is very useful and practical. The machine needs very little maintenance. It reaps and binds crops such as wheat, barley, oat, or leaves and collects them on the farm at regular intervals. The cutting height is adjusted by its hydraulic sleeves, automatically preserving its level according to unevenness with the help of a spring. The parts of the machine are protected with a safety mechanism against any possible overloads. Binds the stems into bundles and stacked into conical sticks to allow the grain to dry for several days before being picked up. Once the piles are tied, the sheaf is discharged from the side of the binder. Number 8. Water jet cutters. This is an industrial tool capable of cutting a wide variety of materials using an extremely high-pressure water jet. The liquid can also be a mixture of water and an abrasive substance. It is explicitly used to cut hard metals such as granite or metal. It's often used during the fabrication of machine parts. The pump works much like a car engine, forcing water through high-pressure tubing using plungers attached to a crankshaft. There is an intensifier pump that creates pressure by using hydraulic oil to move a piston, forcing the water through a tiny hole. The water then travels along with a high-pressure tubing to the nozzle of the water jet. The water in the nozzle is then focused into a thin beam of a jewel orifice. This beam of water is ejected from the nozzle, cutting through the material by spraying it with a jet of speed around 2,500 feet per second. Did you enjoy our video? Which machine did you find the most efficient and why? Well, if you enjoyed our video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our awesome content. Please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. We value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below.